Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Yannick. Today I have something on my mind. I actually made a beautiful, I made a nice video last night and something happened to me. Can you guys guess what it is? It's so ridiculous because my computer crashed. So I made a video, I edited the video, and it was actually a really good video. And it was about me reaching a 100 subscribers on YouTube. I'm so disappointed. I actually don't know what to do. And that is the reason why I'm making this short video to like explain what happened. Because I was so excited to do that video. But you know what? I'm going to try and finish it. I'm going to try and figure out a way to get it done because it's a good video. I actually have some tips and tricks. Even though it took me a long time to get to 100 subscribers, I think I have a little trick. And you know, if you guys are really interested in seeing that video, please leave a comment below so I can work harder in getting it out to you guys. But yeah, this is more like a vlog style kind of thing. I'm actually at home. I'm doing some stuff, a bit of studying, a bit of stuff, and it's a beautiful weather today. It's very sunny and nice. So, but yeah, like I said, I just got on here quick to explain to you guys that I was gonna put out a video because I haven't put out any video in a couple days now, and I really wanted to get a video out, and this happened to me. One of the worst things. So the problem I have is like I saved the file because I wanted to upload it today, and then when I get back this morning, when I opened my MacBook, like I saw that everything was just black. Like it was just black. I don't know what happened. So if you guys have any tips and tricks, if you know what happened, can you guys out there that uses MacBook and you know use iMovie to edit, please, I'm asking for some tips. Tell me what I can do so I can recover that if it's possible, because that's actually a really good video, amazing quality and everything. So I'm a bit disappointed, but yeah, like I said, this was just supposed to be a quick video to inform you guys that yes, I was gonna put out the video, but that happened. So yeah, that is it. If you guys like this little quick talk anyway, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell below. And please guys, if you have any video ideas, that something that you would like to see me do, let me know. I just I'm studying again. If you guys would like to see my study routine or stuff like that, just let me know in the comment box below and I will try and make that happen for you guys, because I can tell you it's pretty hectic being a mom, starting a business and studying at the same time, and being a wife. That's a lot. It's a lot. So if you guys would like to see me take you guys along with me on like a day in the life, you know, from the moment I wake up, so you see what I do, getting my child ready for school, you know, myself, because you know we're in this pandemic now, so I'm actually studying from home, starting up a business, so I'm doing a lot at home, not really going out, but I do take breaks to, you know, go out, get some fresh air, take a walk. So like I said, if you guys would like to see a day in the life from me, how hectic it can be and can get, just please drop me a comment below and I will make that happen for you guys. And yeah, one more thing, if you guys think I look like really good in this haircut, let me know. I don't know, I think I want to get like a platinum blonde color on my hair. Not really sure, but I've been wanting that look. I think it would fit me. I don't know, but yeah, like I said before, this was just supposed to be a very quick video, 5 minutes max. I really didn't want to make it too long, so I'm not gonna stay here too long with you guys. Just gonna get it over with, and yeah, just wanted to inform you guys. So please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell below, and you know, give your girl some love. Give your girl some love. I just reached 100 subscribers. I'm so excited, so happy. And a big thank you again to all the people that took the time out of their life to watch my videos, comment, and to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. It means so much to me because I'm a very small YouTuber, you know, trying to grow here on this platform. I don't have a lot of experience. It's You might be able to see that in some of my videos, but you know what, I'm learning and I'm getting better at this every day. And yeah, if you're willing, you'll get there, and I am. I think, yeah, I think it's gonna be okay. So thank you guys for watching this short clip again. Thank you. Bye.